Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to create mosaic effect in Photoshop. Let's start. First of all, go to File, Automate, Contact Sheet. In this menu, click on the choose, go to your photos folder, select folder, press OK. Now select it in units in pixels, width 1920, height 1080, and also unselect the flatten all layers and select resolution 150 pixel per inch. Now select column 10 by and rows 10 and also unselect the font. Press OK. It took a little time for loading. Okay, our images are perfectly in columns and rows, but here's our one picture is missing. Now select move tool by pressing V, its shortcut key is V. Now select auto select. Now select click on any of the picture, okay, like this. Press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Now select this image and move it to here. Now go to edit, define pattern, select your pattern name. I think contact sheet is okay. Press OK. Now go to your image which you want to mosaic and open it in the Photoshop. Now go to masking layers, adjustment layers, select pattern, and here's our pattern. Select the size of our pattern about 40. Yes, 40 is right. Okay, press OK. Now select the pattern layer blinding modes to overlay. So now select our image, right click and convert to smart object. Now go to image, adjustments, shadow and highlights. Click on show more options and adjustment your amounts like on according to your image. Perfect. Now click on this icon, double click and make it opacity 90. I think bit little more. Okay, 80. And select your pattern layer and its opacity about 90. And your mosaic portrait effect is ready. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you like it, then subscribe it, like it, share it, and also comment it. And also click on the bell icon